Christmas, everybody. Okay, so I'll be bringing a short video that will help us improve in our mathematics from this channel from time to time. And today, what I want us to look at is loss of indices. If you understand loss of indices, there are a lot of things you can do with it. Solving any questions under indices will not be a difficulty if you have good grasp of the laws. There are 6 laws. I'll try as much as possible to name each of the laws so that it can be a source of reference to remember. Number 1 is the zero index law. The zero index law, meaning something like this: anything raised to power 0 is always 1. That's the zero index law. Anything raised to power 0 is always 1. Number 2 is what I'll call the product law. The product law. If you have something like a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n, you discover that the bases are equal, joined together with multiplication. What you do is to pick one of the bases and you add the law. Number 3, the quotient law. The quotient law. Similar to the product law, but this time they are joined together with division. So you still pick one of the bases, but you subtract the power. Look at it, it has to be in order. The first being raised to power m and the second raised to power n. So it becomes a raised to power m minus n. Number 4, we'll talk about negative index. Negative index. Okay, so negative index is when you have something raised to power negative. The power is negative, so it becomes 1 over a raised to power m. So this negative sign is being taken care of by this 1 introduced here. Then you write everything except the minus as the denominator. Okay, after that is number 5. Number 5 is what we call double power or power of power. Double power or power of power. If you have something like a raised to power m, then in brackets this is m raised to power n. A is raised to power m and everything is raised to power n. Okay, so what you do in that case is just to multiply the power. Okay, and the last one is the fractional index. Fractional index. Fractional index. What I would like you to know under fractional index is you have something raised to power fraction, and when that occurs, that tells you that you are going to have a root. What determines the root, whether it's going to be cube root, square root, fourth root, or whatever, is the denominator of the fraction. So n is going to be here, while the number itself, a, is going to be inside the root. Then everything raised to power m. That's fractional index. Okay, a quick run over all the laws so that you know how to apply them. I'll be coming with examples in my next video. The product law. Before the product law is the zero law, zero index. A raised to power 0, whatever is raised to power 0 is always equal to 1, no matter what. Then product law, 2 terms joined together with multiplication. Once their bases are equal, you pick one, you add the power if it is product. Quotient like that, you pick the base, then you subtract the power. Negative index, you introduce 1 to cancel the minus, and everything will be written as denominator. After that is the double power. The double power, you multiply the 2 power. Then lastly, fractional index, when something is raised to power a power that is a fraction, that tells you you are going to have a root. Whether it's going to be a cube root, whether it's going to be a fourth root, what determines that root is the denominator of that fractional power. So you have n here, which is the denominator, then you have the number inside the root, then everything raised to power m. I hope you enjoyed that. Watch out for more video. Follow and share. God bless you.